True Mama. And I know say that year, nothing day. Nothing day.
Okay. In the spirit of what Sound Sultan represents, these are my three sons here. When they broke up, I cried. And when Sultan died, I cried. Life is so fucking short. I shouldn't even be here mourning his son. I don't have much to say. Here you are, three of you. I met both of you as two young boys, and you brought him in. We started, I handed you guys over to Nelson Brown. Where's Nelson Brown? Come here. Stand there. Enough now. Your hand. In the spirit of everything that Sound Sultan represents, may this day be the beginning of a new spirit of love, forgiveness, oneness, affection in our hearts. And may you guys be an example to the world at large that no matter how bad it is, it can be made well, it can be made good. Thank you, Sound Sultan. Rest in peace.
It's been so long since you've been gone. Seems just like yesterday we used to rock and roll. Hey. Together facing all the things that comes up behind. And all I got is just the memories of you. I can't believe I'll ever get to never see you no more. No more. We'll never get to never share the things we used to share before. Before. We used to do the things we do, like one and two, we do the things we do together. On a lighter note, my father used to tell me that dreams come true. Now I believe